here I am, and I'm looking at all these pictures, and I see beautiful. Check that out. Beautiful picture. She's. It looks like you're in front of a computer desk, maybe, right? And is that right? Beautiful. And this your computer desk?
That's the backpack.
Oh, that's the backpack. Sorry, that's the backpack. Sorry, I thought maybe this was the backpack back here. Gotcha. But lots of you pushing the chairs, right? Look at this guy right here. Taylor Drew, a great little person, pushing the chair. And here's the bell. I love that detail. I love the detail. This little guy, Jonathan has the backpack on. So, let me ask, where are they?
At school. At school. School. At school. School. At school.
They are. They're at school. Now, what keywords tell you from the text that they are at school? Underline some of those keywords. Underline some of those keywords.
The bell.
Bell.
Backpack.
Backpack. Backpack. What? Nice. Okay, so we've got bell, backpack, chair, all those things reminding you that they're at school. So did you know that you just made an inference? That's what an inference is. So if you've ever heard the word inference before, or if you haven't, that's what we're going to learn about today. You are going to learn to make inferences today, and how to make inferences. And an inference is kind of like a math equation. So if you like math, maybe you'll like this. So you're going to learn to make inferences today, and how to make inferences, and it just helps you to understand what you're reading. Just like last week, whenever we talked about visualizing and how it helps you learn how to read, or helps you understand better what you're reading, making inferences also helps you be a good reader.